Hi everybody, just checking in with you to remind you, or if you haven't heard, to let you know that Friday Night Lives are back. I am holding FNLs throughout 2023. They are at a new time, 3 o'clock Pacific. Let me see if I can get this right. 3 o'clock Pacific, 4 o'clock Mountain, 5 o'clock Central, and 6 o'clock East Coast. I was holding them later in the evenings during 2020 and 2021. Didn't have FNLs during 2022, but those are your time periods for 2023, and the first one is coming up this Friday, April 6th, and I hope to see you there. Link is down below in the video description and pinned comment. So I finished recording, and Jana, Frugal RV Gal, is sitting over there, and she's like, April? I'm like, okay, not April 6th. January, okay, if you know sign language, January. January 6th, 2023, 3 o'clock Pacific time is the first FNL of 2023. Did I mention I've had a bad TBI episode recently? Bye, y'all. See you down the road, everybody.